po kanina medyo maaga pa for the SEA Games, pero meron na po bang certain target of number of athletes na gusto nyo mapadala for SEA Games and Asian Youth? May certain target number of athletes po ba kayo ngayon for SEA Games tsaka po sa Asian Youth? Ilan po?
For SEA Games, how many athletes?
Contingent.
Actually, yung meron tayo ongoing yung under 18 na Asian tournament dito sa main Saudi. Most likely, yung mga athletes na competing there will also be the one to represent sa Asian youth natin. So may mga yes. So I don't know kung alam yung mga athletes na nagre-represent sa atin sa Saudi ngayon. They're all very young, under 18. So most likely, sila din yung magko-compete. But that's why we're using this championship again para to attract some more under 18 athletes na mag-try out. Kasi actually ang Patafa talaga super welcome, super open sa mga bata right now. So we're trying to reach out actually for the youth, for the junior athletes to be more active in participation, especially sa international competition. That's why last year, napakadami yung pinadala ng Patafa. Under 20, under 18. So, yun ang vision talaga ng presidente namin to expose yung athletics sa mga young athletes. Ang dami natin pinadala last year. At they perform well.
And hoping we qualify sa Youth Olympic Games, di ba?
Dakar. Yes.
Yeah.
That's right.
Anyway, you've been mentioning about the walk. What about the marathon? When are you going to do it? Morning, evening, or what?
Actually, wala po kami marathon kasi tapos na sila sa Japan. So, hindi pwede kasi marami yung ng marathon eh. Hindi pwede sila maraming laro. So, at least mga twice a year lang sila.
National championships yan. Wala kang marathon.
Wala po.
So, ibig sabihin, Patafa, ano na lang kayo, nag-assign na lang kayo ng particular na marathon event na yun ang magsisilbi na sort of a national or basis for our marathon.
Opo, yan po.
Yes.
Kasi naglaro na sila sa Japan, nag-break ng personal best
Yes. Alias, no.
By doing that,
si
na-disenfranchise nyo yung ibang marathoners. Dahil hindi sila nakapunta ng Japan. Right?
Meron po naman iba, meron tayong Milo Marathon kasi sanction naman siya.
National championship.
Manila Marathon.
Marami marathon.
Manila Marathon.
Actually kung titingnan nyo, puro marathon tayo dito eh.
Oo nga. Marami-rami na
Okay,
ngayon na
next
sanction
question.
ng Patafa.
Thank you very much for your question. I think, yes, we cannot do marathon successively, no? There should be a distance of time needed in between because it's 42K, no, 42K. But thank you very much for that question. Anyway, for the question of the meeting before regarding the water coverage in Clark, we have 3 sponsors that will take care of it. We have Pocari, we have the Clark Water, and the Manila Water, so they will help us.
Okay. Going back to, for example, sabi mo nga, may under 18 tayo na wala doon ngayon. For those who might want to know who they are, please go to the Philippine Amateur Track and Field Association Facebook site for the names and the events of the 6 athletes that are now competing tomorrow in Al Khateef, Saudi Arabia. Pero yung mga Bianca Esquinilla, yan isa. Yung sa Javelin, yung si Jewel Tranquilla, also sa discus throw. Yan ba under 18 pa rin or will they be elevated sa senior, Sir Jeffrey?
So currently, since we have no under 20 category, they will be competing do sa senior.
So sa senior na.
But of course, all the records sa senior sila kasi implement-wise, they will be using the standard for the senior.
Also, who knows, medyo baka dito sila. So they will be competing in the open competition, but then, since, as you said, wala under 20, kung ano man, kung meron silang category na under 20, that will be credited to them in that particular age group. Tama ba ako? In other words, wala tayong under 20 classification division. Both of them, like si Jewel at saka si Bianca will be competing in the senior event. However, their records, kasi meron nga tayong under 20 age group, will be reflected in that particular age group category. Now we go to the prelims. Sabi nga si Yasini just broke his 5,000 meter Philippine record pending certification. Sino pa ba? Is Robin Brown coming? Is AK coming? Kamusta na status nila? Tapos I understand Willie, of course, is coming over. How about si Eric Ray? Is he committed to compete in National Open? Or maybe, into coaching na siya?
Actually, Eric Ray is committed to represent the Philippines sa SEA Games. So he's trying to prepare himself into a long-term preparation for the SEA Games.
So hindi na, wala siya sa National Open?
Wala siya sa National Open. Pero yung mga other like KK, Christina Nat is coming over, Robin Brown, Lauren Hoffman, Angel Frank. So yung mga...
So
Elijah Cole, the ball bowler is coming.
Eli Cole.
Sinistam ko muna yung name at family name.
Kaya Eli na lang. Eli Cole is becoming.
Eli Cole.
So, yung man.
So, of course, meron tayong tinatawag na yung Phil-Am, meron tayong sa mababasa nyo later, may Phil-Am Sports. They're not really the Phil-Am na national team. They call themselves Phil-Am. Kasi yung mga athletes sa trying out na galing sa US with the
scout lang ng Phil-Am Sports.
They form their own team, they call themselves Phil-Am Sports.
Pero still, si Angel, part of the, for clarification, Angel part of the national team.
Part of the national team.
KK pa sila Robin as well. Pero, Kyla wala rin yata no? They have ventured into other pastures. Okay. So, ano pa ba? Before we give in to our colleagues as well. So, SEA Games, World Athletics. Okay. Hindi ba, kasi May 27 to 31, ang Asian Athletic Championships in Gimos, South Korea. Kasi May 1 to 4 tayo. So basically, that's a 3 week. Hindi mo masyado makaka-affect sa performance ng mga national athletes na yung 3 weeks na yan. Do you think, Coach Larry, by the time na yung May 27 to 31 si Gimo, naka-recover na sila? Yung 3-week rest na yun, kasi May 1 to 4 tayo, tapos May 27 to 31 in Gimo, South Korea. Okay na ba yun for some of our, or most of our national athletes who will be competing there?
For some events, yes. For some events, no. Especially yung mga long distance. Medyo, medyo mahirapan. Pero yung mga explosive events like jumps, throws, and sprints, okay lang. Okay lang. Maganda nga follow-up. Kung mapapansin nyo, si Jay nga, ang lalaro, 1 week. Tatlong competition eh. Di ba? So, okay yun sa amin.
Okay, good morning, Gab Pera, Sports Corner PH. I just wanted to ask 2 questions lang. Linawin natin, Yasin Germali is already part of the national pool, right? So, confirm na ba si Yasin?
Yeah, confirm siya sa national team.
Okay, so aabangan natin yan si Yasin na hopefully for the Southeast Asian Games. And then, nabalitaan natin, of course, merong ilang mga standouts na naglaro sa mga regional meets at qualified for the palarong bansa will be playing also sa Philippine Athletics Championships. Do you see yung ating mga future standouts natin na maglalaro sa palaro na magko-compete din sa Philippine Athletics Championships will have a great potential niya pagdating nga dito sa competition at malay natin maging shoe-in sila for the national training pool. May point system ba? So, do you think kaya ba nating makita yung mga future standouts natin na pwede nating mailagay sa national team o di kaya magkaroon ng maganda performances? Salamat!
Yes, everybody is welcome to be evaluated. So, mag-perform sila sa national championship automatically they will be evaluated by the Patapa group. So this is just like a tryout for everybody. So yung mga past performances nila will also be considered once they participated dun sa national champion. It's gonna be better for them, may better chance na makapasok sa national team. So because of course in the national team, they will be up against na mas malakas sa kanila, they will be exposed sa more skilled, more talented athletes. So yung performances nila definitely will be go higher. So then, mako-consider sila sa pool. And then Patapa people, Patapa administration gonna be studying, evaluating everybody. So it's gonna be fair for all. So sa lahat na nag-compete, especially sa may mga good performance, they will be evaluated. And then they will be recommended by their respective coaches or assigned coaches para ma-consider sila sa national team.
Yes,